Good morning, viewer. Hope you guys are good. So today I'll show sceneries of the village. So right now I'm standing nearby river bank. This is the river. The name of this river is Gurpale by the village. So you can look over the scenarios. How incredible, how amazing. I really love it. Check out. And here is the green vegetable farming. That's really amazing. Awesome view. I really loved it. And this is the narrow road just close to the river bank. You can view the other side of the river as well. See, it's amazing, right, guys? Hope you like the sceneries of the village. Okay, see you in next update.